in high definition from WPTV, Florida's most watched television station. This is News Channel 5 at 5:30.
Delray Beach developer Frank McKinney is known for his magnificent multi-million-dollar spec homes, his over-the-top showcase parties, and his real estate books.
But to the surprise of many, including himself, he has found even greater success at something new. News Channel 5's Chandra Bill explains.
Aquiliana, Tahitian for waterflower. Why? Water everywhere you look, Chandra. Beautiful aquarium, wet bar, water floors, water gardens, water walls, the ocean, the intercoastal, the most beautiful house I've ever created.
I visited with Frank McKinney at his new $29 million green mansion, Aquiliana. The Manalapan home is spectacular, and Frank could talk about it forever, but it only takes one word to get him to change the subject: Laura.
Laura is the love of my life. She's my 11-year-old daughter, and since pre-kindergarten, I have walked her to school through a dense forest, through a mangrove, over a drawbridge every single day since pre-kindergarten. That's 1,200 walks to school. That was the beginning of the creation of the book Dead Fred, Flying Lunchboxes, and the Good Luck Circle.
That is Frank's first children's book, inspired by the stories shared on those school day walks. Laura is thrilled with the book. Frank is stunned at the response.
I've been at the real estate business for almost 25 years, right? What's funny, if you go to Amazon or some of these places, this book is outselling my new real estate book. So maybe I've got a future outside of building the beautiful homes.
Dead Fred is set in Delray Beach and centers around the life of 13-year-old Peaky, who discovers talking manatee, an evil prehistoric shark, and a battle to the finish in a Category 5 hurricane.
Including page 240, in which News Channel 5 meteorologist Steve Weigel and I are mentioned talking about storm surges and such. Ever the jack of all trades and the master of many, Frank understands young people should read to succeed, but he's taken his debut children's book and upped the ante. Proceeds from the sale of Dead Fred will be donated to the Caring House Project Foundation.
No black tie events, no cocktail parties, no golf outings, books. And when the books sell, that's how we fund our charity.
In Manalapan, I'm Chandra Bill, WPTV News Channel 5.